Hello, I am excited to show you how to quote LTL through ShipperGuide, Loadsmart's single sign-on platform that allows shippers to plan, procure, and execute freight in a centralized place, combining spot and contract quote options into one. You can access LTL under the new quote function on the left side of your page. By default, you will show FTL, but if you want to quote LTL, you can click on the drop-down button by mode and choose LTL. You can see that LTL quotes involve more required fields than FTL. Along with LTL rates, we will also show you volume LTL rates, so you can compare the best price for the specific service mode that fits your needs. After you choose LTL, you can begin quoting by choosing a pickup date. It is important to remember that unlike FTL, LTL is only accessible during the weekdays. Now we can continue quoting by putting our address in for our pickup and delivery locations, as well as check the boxes for any accessorials for pickup. For example, if there is limited access pickup or if it is a construction site. It is important that you check off all applicable boxes because it will impact the rate we provide to you when you quote. With LTL, you will need to provide some more information about your commodity, such as the commodity name, weight, and package type. And the drop-down menu provides you with many package type options. But you can always choose pallet not standard and fill in all necessary dimensions below. The next step is to type in the commodity package quantity and height, and then ShipperGuide will automatically calculate the density for you. We will also show you a suggested freight class based on the information you entered, but this is only a suggestion based on the density. You can review our freight class reference table if you do not know your freight class or NMFC, but you can also reach out to our logistics expert for support. Once you choose a freight class, make sure to add any additional information, such as if your freight is stackable. Also make sure to indicate if your length of your package goes beyond the standard length of your package type. Now we can request a quote. You will have access to Loadsmart's large carrier network, and on the right-hand side of the screen, you can see the available rates that have come from Loadsmart providers through our integrations. For this example, we will choose AAA Cooper Transportation and proceed to checkout. The ShipperGuide LTL checkout looks very similar to the FTL checkout. You might have a line of credit or you can pay with a credit card. Then you can click Book Now and you'll be brought to the shipment page where you can see all your commodity details that you have just filled in. A BOL number will be automatically assigned to LTL loads, so we can make sure that we can properly execute your freight. You will also have the option to download your BOL, but all execution will be done by Loadsmart. If you want to provide a customer reference number, you can fill it in on the top of the page, allowing you to cross-reference your data within your financial system. For example, you can put in your PO and SO number, hit save, and that's it. Explore all that ShipperGuide currently has to offer at app.shipper.guide/login. Also, please share your feedback with us about your experience using ShipperGuide at the following email: product@shipper.guide.